Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the latest trends and essential skills for success in the ever-evolving world. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: customer service skills in 2023. In this video, we will explore the relevance of these skills in today's business landscape and provide you with valuable insights on how to leverage them effectively. So, let's dive right in. Customer service has always been a vital aspect of any business, but its significance has grown even more in 2023. In today's hyper-connected and competitive market, customer expectations are higher than ever. With numerous choices available, customers value exceptional service and personalized experiences. Therefore, mastering customer service skills can help you stand out and build long-term relationships with your customers. First, let's understand the relevance of customer service skills by looking at the impact they have on customer satisfaction and loyalty. Positive customer interactions can turn dissatisfied customers into loyal advocates, while negative experiences can drive customers away. In fact, studies show that 86% of customers are willing to pay more for better customer experiences. One crucial skill for effective customer service is active listening. In 2023, customers expect to be heard and understood. Active listening involves giving your undivided attention, asking clarifying questions, and summarizing what the customer has shared. This skill allows you to gather relevant information, empathize with customers, and provide tailored solutions. Another important skill is empathy. In a world where customers interact with automated systems and AI, genuine human connection is highly valued. Empathy enables you to understand and share the emotions of your customers. It helps you create a comforting environment, build trust, and deliver personalized solutions that cater to their unique needs. Alongside empathy, a positive attitude is key in customer service. In 2023, customers appreciate representatives who approach challenges with optimism and enthusiasm. Your attitude can have a contagious effect, turning potentially negative interactions into positive ones. By maintaining a positive attitude, you can diffuse tense situations, maintain customer satisfaction, and leave a lasting impression. Technology plays a significant role in shaping customer service in 2023. Utilizing the right tools can enhance your interactions, efficiency, and overall customer experience. Let's explore a few essential technologies. Customer Relationship Management (CRM) systems have become indispensable for managing customer interactions effectively. A CRM system allows you to store customer data, track interactions, and gain insights into their preferences. By leveraging this technology, you can personalize interactions, anticipate customer needs, and deliver proactive solutions. In today's interconnected world, customers expect support through various channels. Offering multi-channel support, such as phone, email, chat, and social media, enables customers to choose the channel that suits them best. By being present on multiple platforms, you can ensure timely responses, provide seamless experiences, and reach a wider audience. Chatbots have gained popularity as a valuable tool for customer service. These AI-powered assistants can handle repetitive inquiries, provide instant responses, and gather relevant information before transferring to a human representative when necessary. By using chatbots, you can enhance efficiency, reduce response times, and improve customer satisfaction. Finally, exceptional customer service goes beyond fulfilling basic needs. Going the extra mile can leave a lasting impression and generate customer loyalty. In 2023, personalization is the key to differentiation. By remembering customer preferences, anticipating their needs, and offering personalized recommendations, you can create memorable experiences that keep customers coming back. In conclusion, customer service skills are more relevant than ever in 2023. Active listening, empathy, a positive attitude, and leveraging technology are the pillars of exceptional customer service. By mastering these skills and staying up to date with the latest trends, you can build strong customer relationships, foster loyalty, and drive business success. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Remember, exceptional customer service skills are your secret weapon for success in 2023 and beyond.